Oh, welcome to unRekt Traders. This is not financial advice. We are not financial advisors. Now, let's go get that crypto.
Like, if you can find this, it's pretty powerful.
So can you go and just look for certain things like that? Do you do that, or do you just kind of stick with one coin and wait for what,
I always look for fair value gaps now.
Oh, okay.
I always look for imbalances now when I trade. So on Bitcoin right now, like I'm on the 3-day obviously, so it's a little high up there, but like, right, so there's this last bearish candle is your order block because price moved up and took out these levels. So you have a change in character from the downside. So price kind of moves up, but we lose the fair value gap. So we also have a fair value gap here where price just kind of continued and never came back down. But now we also have another secondary fair value gap here. We also have one here. Depending on how this one forms, once this other candle comes in, we might have another one here, depending. So there's a lot of potential, in my opinion, to come right back, at least into this one, 32,000. This is the one we're expecting it to come into, and there's a nice monthly naked. And there's always an 80% chance of return, right? So, like, if we don't come back to here, I'll be amazed before continuing to the upside. So we just hit the monthly R1 at 45.6. We might get the R2, R3, depending on how this gets rejected off that R1, because we just literally hit that R1 and it didn't hold support on it. It's kind of, but again, even on the 4 hour, these are all imbalanced candles. Right back to there's your order block. We know it's not going to hold eventually because we got the naked monthly, so we know it's not going to hold. So you almost have to go, okay, well, this is a pretty weak order block. We're going to have to probably go with this one here. So we need this to hold to continue to the upside. If this doesn't hold, likelihood we're coming right back down into that area. There's an 80% chance we're coming back to here. So that's why I said, like, because even if you look at the yearly, like, I don't even have to look at the monthly. If I look at the yearly, that's where the yearly pivot's sitting, is down in here. So why wouldn't it just come back down into this area, hold the bottom of that range, and then take off? The odds of us coming into here is, I would say, is probably like 90%.
Yeah. Okay.
It's just a matter of when. And they could push it up to 52,000 before they decide to come back down. If they did push the yearly R1, then we're looking at like a 30 to 40% drop.
So that was Upland on a coaching call yesterday. Today, Bitcoin did go ahead and fill all the way down to that first gap there around 41,000. We're seeing how it responds now going into the afternoon. So if you're interested in this indicator, this is the Nexus. This is the Nexus indicator. And if you want, go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. And also, if you want to join us in Discord to learn more about the indicators and join a community of crypto traders, go ahead and click on the link below. Thanks, everyone, and have a good day.